everybody, and welcome back. So today we're going to be starting off with these Dollar Tree picture frames, and we're just going to remove the mirrors. Next, I'm using this canvas painting to trace a square onto a sheet of foam board, and I'm going to repeat this 4 times. These icicle ornaments are from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be breaking them into smaller pieces. I'm using my hot glue gun to glue down the icicles on the mirror. Next, I'm going to take the mirror and hot glue it to the foam board. At the last minute, I decided to add more of the icicle ornaments to the sides of the glass mirror. And for the second mirror, I'm going to be leaving that one plain so that I have options and I can display it either with the icicles or turn it around and just display the mirror. Right here, I'm showing you all the pieces all laid out, and as I mentioned earlier, I was going to cut out 4 pieces of foam board, and so for the 4th piece, I just cut that one in half to create the sides. To finish up the look, I'm just using some matte black craft paint to hide the white edges. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'll be using this Dollar Tree glass vase as well as this silver Dollar Tree ribbon. Next, I'm going to be using these beautiful Glam stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I had this piece of leftover foam board from a previous DIY, and I decided to use it this time. Right here, I'm taking a piece of Dollar Tree pearl ribbon and I'm just cutting it into strips. And then I'm going to be hot gluing it to the foam board. I'll be using this dessert glass that I already had, and I'm just going to begin to assemble everything. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.